Oh yeah. That's what I like to see. A lot of power. Oh, unlimited vertical. Look at that. I am really liking this plane now. That is sweet. Alright. Split S. Into a loop. Into a victory roll. Wow, that is really fast on the rolls now. It's going through the air a lot faster. But what do you think? What do you think of my P-51 now? So I have it, my timer set for 4 minutes. That is amazing power now. Man, that is awesome. Look at that. Bad launch. Alright, we have it in gyro mode now. It has unlimited vertical. Deadly trifecta, victory roll. My rolls are really fast. I'll probably tone those down a bit. Sure looks good though, doesn't it? Well, I think I can cruise around with this at about 55% throttle. This is just a great handling warbird. Pretty speedy. That was full throttle pass there. I don't even have to go full throttle. Performing aerobatics now, I go about 80% throttle. Alright, here we go. That's about 80%. Great little airframe. There's a stall turn. Does hammerheads really well. Very effective rudder. Okay, let's bring it in.
Timer 1 elapsed.
There we go. Awesome. That is a great little flying warbird. I am really liking this Smofly. P-51D airframe. Alright, so especially on 3S, is absolutely fantastic. I get about 5 minutes of flight time, leaving 3.7 volts in the cell, mixed mode flying. I think what I'm going to do, because I have so much power, I mean, it looks like it has unlimited vertical at about 80% throttle. So I think what I'm going to do is switch out the stock 3-blade prop with one that it's a little less aggressive, with a little less aggressive prop, maybe a 50-45 3-blade prop, and still have unlimited vertical but get a better flight time. I like to get around 6 minutes of flight time, leaving 3.7 volts per cell. So I think I'll test that out next time I bring it out for a flight session. I'll have a different prop on it to test. Alright, but very happy with it. It is a very great handling plane, very stable, very aerobatic, tons of power now, unlimited vertical. I'm having a blast with it. Alright, that's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time on the Tinkerz Lab.